Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code for Paramount Plus. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've gone to the official website of ParamountPlus.com and they've got a step-by-step guide here on how to do this. So for new subscribers, what you want to do is go to Paramount Plus and click on the try it for free button. So if I go like this, open this in a new tab. And then from there, you'll see information explaining our Paramount subscription plans. To continue the sign up process, click the continue button at the bottom of the screen. So what I'm going to do is have a read of these different choices. So if I'm a new Paramount Plus subscriber, I might click on sign up for Paramount Plus. And now what you want to do is create an account, select the plan, and then continue. And then after that, you'll see an explanation of each plan, Paramount Plus Essential and the Paramount Plus with Showtime plan. You can also toggle to select the monthly annual option. And you'll be prompted to create a Paramount Plus account. So if we just have a look at this here, you can have a quick read of this. So you just choose which plan you want to go for. And now from there, step 3, once you've created an account, enter your billing information on the payment screen, and then next, to have a coupon code, click the caret to expand the entry field. So on the payment page here, if I expand this, so you can see here on the right hand side, have a coupon code. Go ahead and apply it here. Click on apply. And now upon completion of the payment process, your discount information will appear on your account page.